Hello, this video will show you how to use Ionic app in Livomobile. Before going into code, let's try to understand what is the advantage of using Livomobile. The main idea of Livomobile is building hybrid mobile applications very fast with built-in authentication. Also, you do not have to deal with app deployment into Apple or Google App Store since Livomobile handles that for you. In this video, I am going to show you all those steps by using Ionic framework. Let's create our first Ionic application together. Go to ionicframework.com, then go to Explore the Docs, go to Introduction, then you will see steps here. First, you need to install Ionic in your computer. In order to do that and use the Ionic, you need to first install Node.js. Please go and do these steps and use this command to install Ionic and Cordova. If you want to check everything installed correctly, for Node.js, you can type npm and you will see commands like this. These are the help commands. If you want to check Ionic, just type Ionic. You will see these commands. And if you want to check Cordova, just type Cordova and you will see help commands like this. Now go to next page, tutorial page. In the tutorial page, you will see how you can create a new Ionic application. You need to use Ionic start command. Then this is your project name. Then you can either, for example, write blank for a base starter with a single page, or you can use other templates for testing. We will use super because it's a starter project with over 14 ready-use page designs. So if you want to use that one, you just need to copy this, come here, type your project name, then type super, then press enter. This will take some time, 1-2 minutes. If you see this message, press yes, and it will download all the needed files. It will take some time. Okay, Ionic has created our project. Now let's first check our folder. As you can see, Ionic installed all the files needed, modules needed. So only thing we need to do now, just say Ionic serve. Oh, okay. I forgot to go into my folder. Now I am in my folder. Now I need to say Ionic serve. As you can see, it has started our application. Let's make it like a phone. Let's say Nexus 7 or maybe iPhone 6 Plus. Let's change this to that. Okay. Let's explore our iOnic application together. It has a welcome page with tabs. Let's continue. You can sign up or sign in. And when you sign in, we see items. We see item details. We can add new item. We have a search bar. We have settings page. A lot of features. When you want to build an application, probably you are going to use a lot of these features. So you can check it out. Until now, we have installed Node.js, Ionic, Cordova in our system. Then we have created Ionic application with a ready template. Now we need to upload this into Livomobile. So how are we going to do that? It is very simple. First, let's check our folder and find the files that we are going to upload. Go into your files and go under www. When you type Ionic serve, it generates these files. And we need to upload these files into Livomobile. Let's generate a zip file from them. This is important. You need to create a zip file. Okay, this is ready. Then go to developer livomobile.com and sign in with your username and password. Then click Create New Application button. You can see detailed video explanation about companies, groups under our YouTube channel. I am not gonna go into them. So let's give a name. You can say demo. Let's write a description. Let's choose company. And now for Ionic application, we are going to choose freeform. Then use I want to upload my application template button and choose the file you have created. After this, you will click on create. This will create our application in Livomobile with our template and files. Our application is ready under Livomobile. So let's check if it works. Click on index.html and click on preview. So here you can see our application has started. We can sign in like we did before in our browser. We can go different pages, cards page, tabs page. Tabs are working. Okay, what you need to do if you want to update one of the files. For example, let's go cards and try to update here, try to add some text in front of social. Let's go our application and try to find pages. Under the pages, cards and cards HTML. And our title is here. Let's add Livomobile here. and save. When we save, the Ionic automatically generates new files for it. But if it doesn't, you can again call Ionic serve. When you call this, it will generate all the files again. If you remember, it generates file under here. So let's wait Ionic to finish. So it has generated the files, and let's go and check cards page here. As you can see, we added Livomobile social. So how are we going to update this under here? Because this is still social. So in order to do that, go under build, and we need to update these files. Generally, only main.js and main.js map, but you might want to update all of them. So for now, we need to delete all of them one by one. And update them from the folder, let's say upload, under build. You need to upload all of them one by one. Very soon we will have multiple files upload for here, but for now you need to upload all of them one by one. So I have updated all of my files under build. So let's try to run application again. Click on your application, it will load your application again. Go index.html, preview, and let's check our social text. Let's go to cards, and as you can see, we added Livomobile social under here. For our next video, I will show you how you can install this application on your mobile device by using Livomobile application. You can ask your questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching.